back to my channel. It is me, Giselle. So today I decided to come back to my channel after a long hiatus with a challenge. So I'm just gonna call this challenge Using What You Got. And basically every time we're on like Instagram or Facebook, we see all of these beautiful makeup looks and recreations of different things, and sometimes we don't have those palettes. So today I'm challenging myself to recreate a makeup look just using what I have. So for today's inspiration, we're going to be taking I'm Milani and we're going to be using this makeup look, and I am just going to be recreating it using the Morphe 3502 palette, and I am going to be using a couple of other things that I have in my collection. To start, I'm going to take Terracotta from the Morphe 3502 palette, and basically this is just like a terracotta. I'm actually going to mix terracotta and brick together, and I'm just going to use that as my transition color to start it off, because it looks like her transition is very soft. So, and I'm just going in with a very, very light hand. Next, it looks like there is a dark brown in her outer portion, in her outer V. So I'm going to take a little bit of brunette, and I'm just going to take this on a small little blending brush and focus this on the outer portions. I might have to get a little bit of a darker color. Maybe a little bit of toast. A little bit. Okay, yeah. So brunette and toast mixed together, I think, creates what we're going for. And I'm just focusing this on the outer portions and blending it in. But I'm not going all the way in, and I'm not being precise neither, because this look is a cut crease. So we're gonna go through and clean everything up and make everything, you know, sharp. Well, I think we're getting there. To cut the crease, I'm going to be using my ColourPop Pro Filler Concealer, and this is in the shade Dark 40. So it looks like the red shade is kinda in the middle, or not in the middle, but like, yeah, kinda in the middle of her eye, and maybe stopping it. So I'm gonna begin the red shade right here, and I'm gonna fade it in from the brown, and maybe stop it right here, and then the rest will be the gold. For that red shade, I'm gonna take Fire from the 35O palette, and I'm just gonna start stamping it. And you kind of want a tight brush. I think this brush is too fluffy and I don't have control. So you want a blending brush that has very tight bristles, so you can control where the product is going. Because if you have a big fluffy brush, then it's just going everywhere. I'm actually going to take a little bit of heat too, because I think that Fire is just too much of like a reddish pink, and I want it just a little bit darker. Yeah. Okay, so I'm just going to take that red and start blending it into the brown. I think we're ready for the gold shade. And to make my gold stick and pop, I'm gonna use my NYX glitter glue. So for the gold, we're actually gonna be using, oh wow, you can't even see, Fenty Beauty and Trophy Wife, you know, what everybody went crazy over. And I'm just gonna pop that on there. I wonder if I should use this as a topper instead. Oh, nope, I just gotta pack it on. So we are gonna do the other eye off camera, and I'm gonna come back and do the rest of my face. Well, I guess we only would have lips left. I'm trying to recreate her lip combo. I did my eyeliner and lashes, and for my lashes I used the Eyelure and Jasmine collaboration, and this is in the style Curly Queen. So they're not the exact lash that she has on, it's more of like a full fluff lash, but this is the lash I had, so we're just using that. So for her lips, it's just like a very neutral brown ombre, well not ombre, but just like a brown liner and a neutral lip. So for my liner, I'm gonna take my Wet n Wild liner, and this is, I think it's just in the shade brown. Oh, it's in the shade Chestnut. And then we are going to put this e.l.f. just like, it's like a matte lip pencil, and this came in the Volt set with maybe 12 other lip crayon pencil. They're all matte and different nude shades. So I think it was called the Rose Gold Volt palette. I did a lip swatch and I'll have it linked right up here for you guys. But I'm taking the shade Praline, and it's basically like my lip color but better. So it also looked like she had just like a hint of gloss on her lips, but I didn't bring gloss with me to my studio, so we're just gonna rock this matte lip. So, but if you want to add gloss, you can just add gloss on top of it. This is the finished look. Where's my little mirror? I think I did okay. I think she did that for a recreation. This is something I haven't done, especially a cut crease. I haven't done a cut crease in ages, and this kind of pushed me outside my comfort zone. So I'm not mad at it. Best friend, what you think?
You welcome.
Okay.
It's my line and my girl.
Okay. I wish I could have a camera on you. So goofy. But yeah, so like I said, this is a challenge. So I challenge you guys to do this recreation or recreating a look just using products that you have. If you do, just tag me on Instagram. It's at Lovejiselle. I'll have my tag on the screen so I can see it and repost all of you guys' beautiful creations. And I will see you in my next video. Oh, you can't even see my hand.